Hey guys, my name is Jeremy McDaniel. I'm with McLean's RV in Sanger, Texas. I just want to introduce you to the Hike 100 today. It is one of our hundreds of markdown units for September. We are having a 60% of MSRP sale. So this is one of those that will qualify for that. A Hike 100 is unique. It is in the lighter class, but still a very durable setup. It is by Winnebago. If you can see, it has this solid exoskeleton on the back or on the front, keep you from busting up the front cap with limbs and stuff like that. If you want to go through the woods, come check it out. Underneath side, it does have a very unique no center axle. So you have an independent suspension on both sides. Gives you about 17 inches of ground clearance, if I understand right. Just a really unique setup. So if you want to take this with your Jeep, this actually only weighs 3162 dry. So a little less than 4,300 pounds gross vehicle weight. Dry vehicle weight, like I said, 3162. This is the 316 FB Hike. And it has some really cool features for a very small travel trailer. For one, you have a full steel box. On both sides, both fender wells. This one opens up like that, so you could have some tools, or you could set this up as your grill spot. Really, the options are endless when you got a really solid work platform like that. You also have a propane hookup there, so if you did have your grill outside, you could set it up right here. Be really cool setup. Of course, you have this nice big awning that is lit. It is a electric awning. And then of course you have the exoskeleton on that back too, in case you back up and tag a tree limb so you're not tearing up your camper every time. As you can see back here, we have some really cool features in this back bay. For one, pass through to the inside, so if you got your kids with you or something like that, and you want to just holler at them from out here, you certainly can. Have some fun, or you just want to scare somebody, it'd be fun too. You got a cool Molly grid panel back here. It also comes with a cooktop and a Truma cooler. Also features a 2-inch receiver hitch. It's not really for a lot of towing, but if you want to put in a rack in the back, something like that, so that you can carry a little bit more gear with you, still be in that short, compact, yet very versatile platform, you certainly can. Of course, your power hookups, a big pass-through storage. Now, this is important right here as well. You actually have electric jacks on this. So you can see our electric jacks on both front and rear. You can control both sets there. You can also control both sets right here. An outdoor shower setup. Of course, a ladder to go to the top with an outdoor light on this side as well. This is an additional power port if you wanted to add an extra solar panel. And yeah, that's the quick highlights on it. This is an awesome setup if you have a Jeep Gladiator, if you have a Tacoma, if you have small pickup, or a small SUV that doesn't have, that massive towing capacity of 10,000 pounds. You got something like a 5,000 pound towing capacity, or 4,500 even. This would be safe in that range. As you can see, the interior here, you do have quite a bit of space underneath the bed. You can see you have a queen size bed up here. In the very back corners, you have 110 ports and USB ports. Of course, that little pass through that back area so that you can talk to someone through there. And then you also have a bunk up top. Now what you will notice down here on the other side, on the floor, if you notice there's no vent holes cut in the floor for your heat. It's actually ducted right here on the wall. That does a couple of things for you. One, we know that this is going to be for the user that wants to go out a little further than pulling into a park. This is going to be one that you might already camp out of your truck You know, someone like me that, I mean, I take a motorcycle and take a hammock sometimes. This is definitely for that kind of person. Still have AC, you know, this is something that you can still drag the wife along, and she'd consider it glamping instead of backpacking and tenting, right? So this is definitely a full setup. Still has microwave, still has refrigerator, still has your sink, still has your restroom. I mean, it has a lot of features that, you know, you would want in that kind of situation. You actually have a wet bath in here, so you have a toilet and a shower in here. Like I said, guys, this is one of 100 plus that we have marked down, over 40% off. I mean, it's just insane deals. Some of these brand new ones are just incredible deals. Now, I will say, you know, you have a lot of dealers out there that still have 22s on the lot. We have a lot of 23s and 24s on the lot. So some of these that are marked down, I mean, this is a 2023 and it's marked essentially 60% of MSRP, which is just insane deals. You need to come out here. The September deals are happening, and they're happening now.